I'm very excited because today we're going to be making my mom's recipe for jung. Hey, I'm Sarah, and this is Sean.
Hey.
We're with Hella Fat Vegan. My mom's from Canton, China, and typically she makes this dish with a lot of fatty meats and some Chinese sausage, but today we're veganizing it and it's going to be right on. Joong is actually the Cantonese way to pronounce it, and it's also known in Mandarin as Zongzi. It's also known as a Chinese tamale.
Yeah, the last time Sarah made these, they were incredible. And you had mentioned to me that you figured out a couple different ways to make it even more authentic and even more delicious. So I'm stoked. I can't wait to try these things. And so let's get started with this awesome recipe.
So the very first thing that you're going to need to do is soak some sweet rice. And you'll want to do that by adding 3 cups to a large mixing bowl. And then you'll want to add enough water to submerge the rice. And then let it sit for 3 hours. The next step is to wash the bamboo leaves. So you'll want to get a large wide pan, fill that up with water, and wash each bamboo leaf with a cloth. Once they're all washed, you'll want to place them all in the large pan, fill it up with water, and boil that for about 5 minutes. So here's our bamboo leaves, and we'll just separate 1, 2.
Where do you usually get those bamboo leaves, Sarah?
So you'll usually want to find these in any Asian market should have it.
So Sarah, while you're doing that, should I prepare maybe the mushrooms or?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just want to slice them up kind of thick, just so it gives it some texture.
And these are shiitakes?
Yes, they are shiitake mushrooms.
Here we go.
And so the mushrooms actually need to be marinated in soy sauce or tamari.
Okay.
Should we do that now, or?
Yeah, so.
I would just add enough to cover them all up. So now I'm going to prepare the meat, and I'm going to do that by adding tamari to it and then mixing it all up. Just going to squish it all together just to get that tamari really in there. So I would say this is probably about maybe 3 tablespoons. First, I'm going to cut the Beyond sausage in about quarters, long ways. Now I'm going to grab the Chinese 5-spice and sprinkle it on top. Now I'm since it's kind of just sprinkled all over it, I'm going to try to massage it into the sausage to put the flavor into it. Okay, and that's all done. So next I'm going to make the salty egg, which is basically going to be smashed chickpeas with some of our no egg seasoning. And if you don't have that on hand, you can use just black salt to give that eggy sulfur flavor and a little bit of nutritional yeast. First up, I'm going to take a fork and smash all the chickpeas into a paste. Then I'm going to mix the no egg seasoning into the chickpeas. Awesome, so now we have all the ingredients prepared, so it's time to make the jung. I'm going to grab 2 bamboo leaves and place them like so. Now you're going to want to fold them in half and then fold up the bottom like this. Now you have a nice little pocket that opens like this. Now you're going to add a small thin layer of rice. Add your toppings. And then cover with rice again. Next, this is going to be a little tricky, so pay attention how I complete the jung. So you're going to fold up the leaves over the top. And then wrap it with a string like this. Okay, now we have all our jung made. We have about 10 here, and we're just gonna put it in a pot of boiling water and boil for about an hour. They've been boiling for about an hour, so let's take them out and see how they look.
So we just unwrapped these and man, they are looking fantastic. What do you think, Sarah?
Yeah, they look pretty amazing.
Yeah, I'm really excited to eat them. If there's any part of this video that you liked, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're considering making this, or if you'd like to see more videos like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We usually post videos about once a week. I think this is the point at which we start eating the food.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
See ya.
Oh, wow. I think I got one of yours that you put together, and it looks amazing. Wow.
It's really good. I almost want to just like eat this whole thing right now.
I think you should. You've earned it.